Hey crafters, today's DIY is all from the Dollar Tree. So head on over to your local dollar store. I picked up some of these ornaments that you can actually unscrew and fill. I picked up some of these faux pearl beads because I thought it would make for some beautiful ornaments. I have leftover mini Christmas trees, some faux snow, and then also the part that I'm not putting in the video is I will be adding some scrap vinyl to it just to spice it up a bit. But all I'm doing is unscrewing it and filling them. So I'm making a little winter wonderland. The Dollar Tree also has some little foam pearls that you can add in, which is super cute. It was really fun to just add in some little pieces and create these mini winter wonderlands. Adding the faux snow did get a little bit messy, I'm not gonna lie, but it was definitely a fun little project. You could also go in and change the little hooks for it to some dollar store ribbon to just elevate the look. Leave them blank or use your Cricut to create some fun and easy little decals. You could even make and sell these. I would personalize these even with little mini photos. I've seen tons of variations of this project. One of them I shared over on my Instagram that I saw where a crafter used their Cricut to cut out mini Amazon boxes and then they folded it to create little 3D boxes. They put it inside and then it was like a whole Amazon, I don't even know, pickup order inside an ornament. It was so cute. And there are just, like I said, tons of different variations of it. As you can see, it started getting a little bit messy, but it was really a cute one. I was super surprised with the pearls. It looked so fancy and it was a really great little gift idea. Now for the decals, I did it off screen because I ended up kind of deciding last minute to do a decal. I just took a quick little Disney PNG and Elsa one off of Google, made it into a small little cut file, and then that's what I did for that one. The next one I did was a little reindeer, and I think for the last one I just left it blank, honestly, because it just looked so pretty with the pearls. But a really fun one to personalize with some names or gift this year, and I wanted to share this because you can really put whatever you want in these ornaments, and it was a super cheap little budget-friendly DIY to make. That's what I did for today's little crafty and very messy idea. So I hope that has inspired you to make some type of little crafty creation today and hopefully not make as big of a mess as I did, but it was a really fun one. I will see you in tomorrow's Craftmas video. Thank you so much for watching and bye for now. Happy crafting.